अगर मैं आपके पर्सनल स्पेस के अंदर आ रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग सो क्लोज, बट द आइटम्स आर छोटे छोटे इन टुडेज वीडियो, तो आई वांट टू सिट हियर. Hi, welcome to a under ₹99 stationery haul. Now I just want to share this because I don't think I've shared this before. My scrapbooks had glitter and Winnie the Pooh stickers in it, and teachers literally used to give me remarks like please decoration कम use करो. तो बचपन में I used to use it during school all the time, but now I don't really use it anywhere except my planner. Majority of the stationery I donate. I donate to kids around me. If I see someone has a signal, I have something to give them, or the kids of the people working in my building. But when I say this on camera, people are like, oh, you're such a show off. Like, why do you have to say this on camera? मैं नहीं बताती तो आपको लगता है कि मैं बिल्कुल चैरिटी नहीं करती. अगर मैं बताती तो आपको लगता है मैं शो ऑफ करती, तो मैं करूँ क्या? This stationery का primary purpose is to review it for you in case this is going to be helpful to you. And after the video, I usually donate a lot of it. It was a challenge to look for 99 का stationery, so I took a lot of help from people around me, and I think we have a decent collection. So first thing है this set of pens, which is from Luxure. 10 pens का set है, and each pen is meant for ₹10. So overall the whole set is supposed to be for ₹100. अभी ये पेन मैंने स्कूल टाइम में और कॉलेज टाइम में बहुत यूज किए, so I know why this pen had to be like the first thing I show in the video. क्योंकि इस पेन का जो निब है, it is like very good quality sketch pen. So writing with this is like a dream. It's very smooth and it's a different finish. You should definitely try this pen because इसमें काफी सारे colors है. During CA, I used to make a lot of colorful notes. पहले professors used to scold me कि why do you have to take so much time. Then later on, a lot of times the professors used to be like, can you please give your notes? I want to circulate it to other people. So I'm like, karma, मुझे करने देना चाहिए था, मुझे जो करना था वो. Let me try to write in our second product, this keychain again, जो Muji वाले stationery haul में we had seen. A lot of people told me that these are Japanese flashcards कि वो लोग इसमें लिखा के पढ़ाते हैं, is what I read in the comment section. I personally think that if I have to use it, I would definitely use it for keychain so that my to-do list is with me and there's just a task for I can keep pairing it off. तो इसमें I'm going to write with the sketch pen and show you. So that's why I like these pens a lot क्योंकि इसका pigmentation is through the roof. In the Muji video, remember I told you कि अपने इधर के pens का pigmentation अलग रहता है and उनका अलग रहता होगा. My top 5, these are the 5 colors I would recommend you to get अगर आप individually ये pens ले रहे हो तो. And second thing is this, I have forgotten ये कितने का था. If you don't want to invest सीधा in the whole Muji का 5 pack, तो Amazon पे मुझे individual वाला मिल गया. So I'm just going to start with basic stationery पहले. This is a Faber-Castell का pre-made set. Now पहले I used to think pre-made sets are value for money. Seems like you're getting more for the same amount of price. Most of the times that's not the case. This is kind of open. 2 ball pens. ये glue stick है. I have not used a glue stick in forever. If you're still in school, can you tell me if you use glue sticks अभी भी? Then there's a correction pen. एक पतला marker in blue color. एक मोटा marker in black color. A highlighter. This is a very well thought set मेरे हिसाब से because when I just moved upstairs, I was struggling to find like one of everything जो essential होता है. And this has everything actually. Pens है, markers है, highlighter है, glue भी है और correction pen भी है. In the sets category, I think this is a good adult set क्योंकि बाकी सारे sets में मैंने crayon, sketch pen ये सब देखा है. But इसमें there's office stationery. Now this whole pencil thing was for 90 rupees. एक sharpener, एक eraser और 30 pencils आए हैं, which is a good price point. It's sealed like as if इसमें खाना है. मैं मेरा Muji सीजर लेके आई हूँ तो मुझे जितना गिमिकी लगा था ना हॉल के टाइम पे उतना ही ज़्यादा यूजफुल रहा है ये मेरा. एंड इट्स शार्प, इट इज़ सो शार्प. तो इस सेट में आई थिंक वी गेट 5 कलर्स. दीज पेंसिल्स फील डिफरेंट पर इसकी फिनिशिंग कुछ अलग टाइप की है बाहर से. दे फील लाइक एक्चुअल कैंडी केन्स. इज द थीम ऑफ दिस पेंसिल सेट. इट्स कॉल्ड ओनली द कलर कैंडी कलेक्शन. पीछे जो इन्होंने डिजाइन किया ना उससे मुझे पहले लगा था कि दीज पेंसिल्स हैव एन इरेजर बिहाइंड देम बट दे डोंट. वी शुड शार्पन वन एंड सी कि कितना स्मूथ है. इट्स एन HB पेंसिल. I don't think this is wood pencil because इतना लंबा wood पे तो नहीं बनता कभी. They are quite smooth. I think it's worth the deal. The only problem is I don't know again if you get them individually. अगर individually एक लेने जाएंगे तो शायद 5 रुपए की ही एक पड़ेगी. Another extremely useful thing मेरे को Amazon पे मिला was this set of glue drops. To show you what a glue drop does. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करती हूँ glue drops. मेरी बुआ को मैराथन में फ्री मिले थे कुछ 7-8 साल पहले. And since that time I've been using them. This is a packet. एंड अंदर ऐसे शीट्स आते हैं. each sheet has one glue का ड्रॉप. you have to tear out एक square, open it. for example I'm taking out ये वाला पेपर and ये वाला पेपर. if I want to stick these two things, glue drop को put it on the paper इस वाले पेपर को चिपका दो विद स्टक। इसमें बिल्कुल मेस नहीं होता है, इंस्टेंटली स्टिक हो जाता है। फेविक्विक जैसा नहीं है बट फेविकॉल को डेफिनेटली रिप्लेस कर देता है। ऑलवेज हैव अ कपल शीट्स ऑफ ग्लू ड्रॉप्स इन माय प्लानर सो दैट आई कैन स्टिक माय एवरीडे वाले पोलरॉइड्स इन इट। If you've not tried glue drops yet, give them a shot. Next is this set of tapes and I am pretty bummed के 100 रुपी is a good price range जिसमें भी सिर्फ ये वाले टेप के पैटर्न्स मिले। क्वांटिटी काफी सारी है in the number of tapes। एक टेप में कितना है let's see। Each टेप में तो उतना क्वांटिटी नहीं है, it's quite thin but the designs are good. This feels like a fabric tape. Planner में actually बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये। If you like the designs you can consider getting them from Amazon. These ones I think are good. 100 rupees में इतनी सारी designs है, it's 6 or 7 out of 10 value for me. फिर ये एक जो प्रोडक्ट है ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया because after having a desk and everything it becomes so important to have compartments to keep things and this is beautiful. I don't know how this is only for 100 rupees. पर बहुत सारे कंपार्टमेंट्स है, so if not for my stationery I can 100% use this for my makeup. It's brilliant for organization. I'm always on the lookout कि कुछ अच्छा सा ढूंढ लूँ. If you find more things जिसमें सामान अच्छे से organize रह सके, link it नीचे comments में मेरे लिए. यही कैटेगरी में another thing is this one. It looks much more expensive than what it was. Price तो you know. इसमें भी काफी सारा सामान आ सकता है. Again, not just stationery. You can use this to organize anything. नीचे वाले घर में ना यहाँ पे हम इस्त्री का सामान भी रखते हैं, like इस्त्री की notebook and then the pens here. So it's very handy like that. So this is also a good pen stand find. Like the purpose of stationery is the same. 1 रुपए वाला पेन जो काम करता है ना, 1000 रुपए वाला पेन भी वही काम करता है. But it's just the feeling. It's the additional features that if they make sense to you, then you can go ahead and buy the expensive. ऐसी चीजों में spend करना does make sense to me. If it is going to motivate me to work, I like things like फिर basic highlighters. Although I feel like this color is different. Usually ये नहीं रहता है, इसके बदले blue रहता है. So that's the only one I want to try. ये वाला set 100 rupees का था. Let us keep this up. पिंक जैसा ही है वैसे तो, but it's quite smooth. This is what the 5 colors look like: pink, orange, yellow, purple, peach. If you're looking for affordable highlighters, consider this set. These are by Cello. Really, the most important things you should keep in yellow because we can see intensity of different colors is how you need to keep in mind when you're highlighting something. Then we have the infamous glitter pens, जो मैं तो कभी नहीं भूल सकती क्योंकि मैंने स्कूल में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज किया है. The last time also was for some review video only. Oh, they are so smooth and there's so much glitter इसमें. This is why I still make stationery hauls being a 22-year-old because they still make me happy. Just look at the glitter in it. So if you also think using glitter pens is going to add value to your life, you can try this one. This set was also MRP'd at 100 rupees. Beautiful pigmentation. It's working like makhan. बस we're almost at the end of the video. In stationery essentials, we have these erasers जो I think मैंने पहले भी वीडियो में दिखाया है. They work really well. They're well priced also. Also because they come in a डब्बा, you don't have to worry about eraser के छुग्गे falling in your pouch. मेरा तो रिकॉर्ड रहा है कि I have never finished entire eraser. If you have ever finished an entire eraser in your life, बताओ मेरे को नीचे comment section में. I want to do something for the people who've done it. Okay, share your strategy of how did you not lose the eraser and how did you keep it yourself. I'll pin one of the strategies so that everybody else can also use it. Second last item है ये invisible pen. Nostalgia जो वैसे hit करता है ना, I get speechless. ये खुला ही पड़ा था, तो I don't know कि ये सूखा होगा कि नहीं. चलो कुछ लिखते हैं. This flashcard thing has come in so handy. पता है इतना छोटा सा पेन है. I can वैसे तो see directly paper रखूंगी तो नहीं दिखेगा, but एकदम close up में शायद आपको दिखे. हाँ मेरे को दिख रहा है इधर. Yeah, even you can see it. एकदम क्लियरली नहीं दिख रहा है कैमरा पे, बट दिस वर्क्स. तो अगर आपका भी मेरे एज का कोई फ्रेंड है ना हु वाज इन देयर 20s, यू कैन गिव दिस टू देम बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिया हिट होता है व्हेन यू प्लान टू गिव समवन 22 और 23 गिफ्ट. मेरा तो इतना बजट नहीं रहता है, सो आई ट्राई टू लुक फॉर दीज स्मॉलर गिफ्ट्स, लेकिन देयर इमोशनल, देयर समथिंग दैट इज ऑफ वैल्यू. लास्ट आइटम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉस्टैल्जिया, उससे ना वो सर्कल्स बनाते थे मेरे पास. इसको मंडाला ही बोलते हैं ना. दीज काइंड ऑफ डिजाइंस यू कैन मेक विद दिस रूलर एंड इसमें ये जो सर्कल होता है ना वो रोटेट होता है ऐसे व्हेन यू पुट इन द पेन. यू लाइक स्टेशनरी इन जनरल लाइक दैट एंड यू कैन ट्राई. सो बेसिकली ये जो अलग अलग सर्कल्स होते हैं ना, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट साइज ऑफ मंडालास एंड डिफरेंट साइज ऑफ डिजाइन एंड यू कैन मिक्स 2-3 सर्कल्स इन वन डिजाइन एंड मेक अ कॉम्प्लेक्स डिजाइन. दिस वाज आवर अंडर ₹99 stationery haul. If you found anything helpful that you probably would buy after watching this video, then that is all the reason why I made this video. और अगर आपको देखने में मजा आया तो give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you did not enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.